What is going on, everyone? It is Dan over here at TechMarketer with another weekly newsletter for you here. Got a lot of really positive feedback from last week's newsletter, so hopefully we can follow up on that with some helpful information here for you. So today, what we are going to look at is actually very simple, but almost nobody is doing this. And so I'm going to show you what to do, what I'm talking about, and why to do it. So what I am talking about is creating lists like Google Sheets lists or Microsoft Excel lists of your clients after you sell them, after for your leads once you get somebody in here, and just having that name, email, phone number, whatever, as a list for your future use. And the reason that that is important is especially for clients. If you're doing any kind of like social media advertising at all, like paid ads, you can create a lookalike audience based off of your clients, right? So what that means is you can create Facebook and Google and Apple and all of them know so much information about you that if I give a list of names and email addresses and say, go find me a bunch of people that look like this, right? It's going to look at income, a whole bunch of different demographics, like I said, income, spending habits, location, all of that stuff. So get a list of all of your clients that you want to do business with and make a list out of it. So what I did, it is extremely, extremely simple here. All right. All I'm doing is AgencyZoom, Better Agency, Pipedrive, whatever you're using. Whenever you sell a new policy, right, it's insanely simple. Go one, look up this spreadsheet, see if that person is on there. If they're not, create a row. Right? Simple as that. So literally all I added was name. I put the ID in there, the database ID just to have it, email, phone number. That's all it is, right? So I've got two sheets on this guy here. So there's one for leads, and then I've got one over here for clients, right? So you can see me on both of them there. So super, 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 super insanely simple. But like I said, not a lot of agents are doing this right now, and I don't understand why. It's very easy to set up. Same thing for leads, right? If you have a new lead come into AgencyZoom or your CRM or whatever, have that be a Zap as well that goes and adds them to the Zap portion of that worksheet, and then or the lead portion, sorry, of that worksheet. And then once they're sold, have a lookup right here. I just have it looking up by email. I'm looking up the worksheet, email. There's the email. If it has it, then grab them and move them over. You can also really do like drill down into that data a lot too if you want to keep a little bit more information, right? Find the leads that are making it from the lead side to the client side. And those are the ones that obviously you're going to want to go after more so than the ones that are staying on the lead side and not actually converting over into a client. So, like I said, this was a very simple yet powerful newsletter that not a lot of people are doing, that everybody should absolutely be doing. So, again, hope that was helpful. Always up for some recommendations. If there's something specific that you all want to see, let me know, and I will happily do a video for it. I'll talk to you guys next week. I have another really cool newsletter in store for you next week, so I'll see you there.